Hey there, Striverz money crew. Did you know that the simple act of checking your email could be earning you cold, hard cash? That's right. Today, we're diving into the world of making money online with PayPal. Say goodbye to your boring day job and hello to a digital goldmine. Stick around to learn the top strategies for turning your PayPal account into a profit-making machine. Let's meet Jake, a regular guy who, like many of us, was struggling to make ends meet. He discovered a whole new realm of online opportunities that paid directly into his PayPal account. Now he's enjoying financial freedom and living the dream. Intrigued? Let's follow Jake's journey to uncover the secrets of making money with PayPal. Most people think of PayPal as a convenient way to send and receive payments. But did you know that it can also be a powerful tool for making money online? In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective and lesser-known strategies for boosting your PayPal balance. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer with clients all over the world. You can easily receive payments straight to your PayPal account. 2. Selling products. Set up an online store on Etsy, eBay, or your own website and use PayPal as your primary payment processor. 3. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies that pay commissions via PayPal, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank, and earn a percentage of every sale made through your unique link. 4. Online tutoring. Share your expertise on platforms like VIPKid, Wyzant, or Teachable, and get paid directly to your PayPal account. 5. Microtasking. Complete small tasks on websites like Amazon's Mechanical Turk or Clickworker and watch your PayPal balance grow. To make the most of these strategies, keep the following tips in mind. A. Diversify your income stream. Don't rely on just one method. The more strategies you employ, the more you'll earn. B. Keep your PayPal account secure. Enable two-factor authentication and use a strong, unique password to protect your hard-earned cash. C. Monitor your earnings. Regularly check your PayPal account to track your earnings and identify the most profitable strategy. D. Network. Connect with others in the PayPal money-making community to share tips, tricks, and opportunities. Now it's your time to take action, and check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.